Okay, we're going to use the ABCDE strategy to help you remember these 5 hacks. The first one is avoiding chaos at all costs, as much as possible. So, how are we going to do that? I have 3 easy ways for you to do this. So, first of all, we want to use our calendars and plan backwards. So, if you know you have a project due in 14 days, you're going to automatically make your personal due date day 13. And then you're going to break the project apart into several steps and make a lot of multiple due dates for yourself. So you might have part A that's due on day 2, part B due on day 4, part C due on day 6, etc. And you will have the whole thing wrapped up by day 13. That'll allow you to be proactive, to make a strategy, and not be staying up late at the last minute. The second little tip I have in this area of avoiding chaos is getting ready the night before. So take your clothes out, make sure that your book bag is packed, pack your lunch part way or all the way if you can. But you want to make sure that you've done everything that you can ahead of time so that you're not scrambling in the morning. And then the third one is a really important one. You should expect about 50% of things in your life to not go exactly as planned. Now, some of them might go better than you planned, but we're going to have things that don't work out as well as we have hoped. We're going to have that time when you put on some piece of clothing and find that it's torn, or you go to pour yourself a glass of milk or juice and it spills all over the place. Just yesterday, I was making a shrimp recipe for dinner, and I picked up the bag, and all of a sudden, all this shrimp juice started to leak out, and of course, it went all over my fabric sneakers. So now I have shrimp juice all over my sneakers. They need to be washed. I can't clean them any other way but really getting them in the washing machine, right? So plan for 50% of the things to not go exactly as right. And what you do is you kind of leave yourself a buffer if you can. If you're driving somewhere, you're probably going to hit some kind of traffic. So always give yourself 10 or 15 minutes extra, and then you won't be stressed at the last minute. So those are some strategies that you can use for our letter A in our strategy, avoiding as much chaos as possible.